will say I am a total skank. Grinding, robbing thick, made the whole crowd sick, especially the Smiths. I'm basically a wrecking ball for the youth of America. All I want is to brainwash them all with my massive nipples under my knee. We must be like Miley. Now watch me ride a ball and try to make a seductive face, but creepily I totally look just like Nicolas Cage. Time for me to lick this hammer like it's a big metal penis. I'll lick anything for more attention. This condom looks delish.
I've been looking for this. Put some goddamn clothes on, you sicko!
I'm naked on a wrecking ball, showing off my pale boobs and butt. Now I'm dry humping a broken wall. I went from Disney to quick-based and skanky. I need to get therapy.
Excuse me, I'm here for the porn. Bend over, girl, let's make this quick.
What do you mean this is not porn?
Then why the hell are you naked?
Because I'm a wannabe whore who sluts it up to get more views.
So that means we don't have to screw. Thank God!
Excuse me?
You are too dirty for Ron Jeremy. Sorry, sweetie, it's true.
I ruined a beautiful song with a disgusting video.
Okay, this has gone on way too long. You need to get up off our construction site.
How do you expect us to work with a crazy anorexic chick swinging naked from our equipment
And licking and humping everything she sees.
Sorry, but I'm not leaving. Oh no, now she is twerking.
Dear God,
Just kill us now, please. Thanks, Liam!
oh, believe me, it was my pleasure.